How to use Gemini CLI. Want to use Google's Gemini AI like a pro? In this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini CLI to run powerful AI tasks right from your computer, with no extra tools required. First, download the Gemini CLI from Google's official AI tools page. Follow the simple installation steps for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once installed, log in with your Google account, or connect your API key to activate Gemini. With Gemini CLI, you can generate text, create summaries, translate content, and even brainstorm ideas right from your terminal. Think of it as having Google's AI at your fingertips, fast, simple, and always ready. The best part, you can use it anywhere, anytime, no extra apps, no coding skills needed. It's perfect for writers, students, and creators who want quick AI help without opening a browser. Thanks for watching.